Hello, my name is Rocky from Rock Your Best, and today we're doing the happy dance. I want you to get up, pick your favorite song, and we are gonna do an awesome dance break and a piña colada made with VING organic vodka called the VING-lata. Are you ready? And we're just gonna rock to the groove, yeah? So you're gonna shift the hips from right to left. Hey, you're gonna snap to it, come on. You're gonna press your hands overhead. You ready? Come on. And 5, 6, 7, you know, press. Hey, come on. Flex the hands right over the head. And 5, 6, chest press. You know, press. All that drama away. Come on, 5, 6, 7. You open your arms and cross. And open. Cross, cross. Flex the hands. You got it. 5, 6, 7. Pull it in. Pull it in. 2, 3, 4. Come on, 5, 6, 7. Flex your hands again. Throw it overhead. 1, 2, 3. Throw that booty back. And 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna go around the world with your hips in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your happy dance. That was great. Now let's treat ourselves to the VING-lata. I'll teach you the recipe. The Piña-VING-lata. An ounce of VING vodka. Dark coconut rum. Yes. Frozen pineapple. Cream of coconut. We have the blended drink all in there. I'm so excited. See that coldness? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I do like a little spice, so I'm gonna add a little nutmeg in there. You don't have to do this, but it just always makes me feel special. Oh yeah. Remember to take care of yourself. Movement is medicine, and I'm so happy that you joined me here today.
It's really good.
And remember, when you want to chill, relax, choose something organic, choose something clean, choose VING Vodka.
It blends so nicely together. It's refreshing. It's not too thick and heavy. It's a skinny lata, skinny VING-lata.
Enjoy your day. I know I'm going to enjoy my day. I'll see you next time.
Buy VING Vodka today at VINGvodka.com.